1. Brahmanical literature and associated historical importance. Vedas. There are 4 Vedas, namely Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharvan Veda. Historical importance. Information about processes like the transition from a pastoral, pre-class, caste society in Rigveda to an agrarian, class, caste society and the formations of political territories in the later Vedic period has been obtained from these texts. Brahmanas. They give information about the expansion of Aryan culture and references to the economic and political life of the respective period. Aranyakas. They give information about the philosophy and mysticism of the period. Puranas. Puranas contain genealogical records of all ancient dynasties ruled over India from Parikshit of Kuru tribe, the first king of Kali age, to Guptam rulers, but coupled with mythological stories. Epics. There are 2 Mahakavyas, epics, namely Ramayana and Mahabharata. Both seem to have been finally compiled by 400 AD. They reflect social, economic and political conditions from the 10th century BC to the 4th century AD. 2. Buddhist literature and associated historical importance. Pitakas provides information about rules and regulations of Buddhist Sangha, sermons of Buddha and his disciples etc. Jatakas throw invaluable light on the social and economic conditions ranging from the 6th century BC to the 2nd century BC. They also make incidental reference to political events in the age of the Buddha. Sri Lankan Chronicles. 2 Sri Lankan chronicles, Dipavamsa and the Mahavamsa, deal with the Buddha's life, the Buddhist councils, Emperor Ashoka and the kings of Sri Lanka. Other major texts. Milindapanho. It is a dialogue between Milinda, identical with Indo-Greek ruler Menander, and Buddhist saint Nagasena. Lalitvistara. It describes about life story of the Buddha and socio-religious conditions of that time. Buddhacharita, written by Ashwaghosha in Sanskrit, it gives the story of Buddha's life. 3. Jain literature and associated historical importance. Siddhanta or Agama. The sacred books of the Jainas are collectively known as the Siddhanta or Agama. These texts help us to construct the political history of eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in the age of Mahavira. The Jain texts refer repeatedly to trade and traders. Other major texts. Parishishta Parvan, written by Hemachandra, it provides descriptions about Chandragupta Maurya. Kalpasutra, written by Bhadravahu, it contains the biographies of the Jain Tirthankaras.